I'm waking up early in the morning. I am brushing my teeth right now. I am taking a shower. I'm getting dressed for work. I am eating breakfast. I am packing my bag. I am leaving the house for work. I am driving to the office. I am working on my project. I am attending a meeting. I am having a coffee break. I am talking to my colleagues. I am checking my emails. I am answering phone calls. I am preparing a report. I am having lunch at the cafeteria. I am discussing ideas with my team. I am finishing my work tasks. I am leaving the office. I am picking up groceries on the way home. I am cooking dinner at home. I am having dinner with my family. I am washing the dishes. I am relaxing on the couch. I am watching TV with my family. I am reading a book before bed. I am brushing my teeth again. I am setting my alarm for tomorrow. I am turning off the lights. I am going to sleep. I am waking up for a morning jog. I am putting on my running shoes. I am running around the neighborhood. I am stretching after my run. I am having a quick breakfast. I am tidying up my room. I am vacuuming the living room. I am dusting the furniture. I am washing my clothes. I am hanging the clothes to dry. I am working on my assignments. I am calling a friend. I am playing a video game. I am learning a new skill online. I am writing in my journal. I am watering the plants. I am cleaning my bike. I am checking social media updates. I am baking a cake. I am decorating the cake for a party. I am wrapping a gift for a friend. I am attending an online class. I am practicing yoga in the evening. I am answering messages on my phone. I am relaxing with a cup of tea. I am helping my sibling with homework. I am organizing my desk. I am feeding the pets. I am folding my laundry. I am charging my phone. I am taking out the trash. I am reviewing my notes for a test. I am booking tickets for a movie. I am calling my parents. I am visiting a friend's house. I am painting a picture in my free time. I am listening to music while relaxing. I am cleaning the windows. I am rearranging the furniture. I am making a to-do list for tomorrow. I am packing a lunch for work. I am working on a new hobby. I am playing a board game with friends. I am taking a walk in the park. I am talking to a neighbor. I am organizing a small gathering at home. I am sending a message to a friend. I am making plans for the weekend. I am browsing online shopping websites. I am applying for a new course. I am cooking a special meal for dinner. I am checking the weather forecast. I am helping my friend plan a trip. I am volunteering at a community event. I am attending a family dinner. I am working on a creative project. I am teaching someone how to cook. I am following a workout routine. I am playing a sport with friends. I am preparing a presentation for work. I am grocery shopping for the weekend. I am learning a new recipe. I am making coffee for guests. I am setting the table for dinner. I am wrapping up a long day with some relaxation. I am reading the news before bed. I am saying goodnight to my family. I am reflecting on the day. I am closing my eyes for a restful sleep. I am dreaming peacefully at night.